our company is going to give you loan on your policy, where it is clearly mentioned that not even a single amount of rupee is going to give you a loan.
Sir, now that we know that there are three ways to buy a term insurance plan, that is, say, online from Policy Bazaar, online, say, from that respective bank, and third is, say, through an agent as well, from bank, and fourth is, say, through a seafarer who is an agent as well. Say it is you or some XYZ, because there are a lot of seafarer agents as well. So I would
Yes.
say there are four ways. Now, what are the advantages of buying from Policy Bazaar? अगर मैं ये
Okay.
next question पूछूं.
Okay, so any website, something like Policy Bazaar, or it can be any other website like Policy X is also coming up, etc. So these are something called as insurance aggregators or insurance brokers. So they have taken the licenses of different companies and they can sell any insurance product. The only advantage what I get is I get the comparison directly on the screen. Like if I put my age, if I put I want 1 crore ka term plan, XYZ company is going to give me charge you this much premium. ABC company is going to charge you this much premium.
So
MNO
basically,
is going to this one.
I get all comparison out there.
All comparisons with respect to the policy premium what you are going to pay. So your brain is now conditioned what you are going to choose.
The
The
cheapest one.
cheapest one, right? That might not be the correct choice for you.
So that is the disadvantage then.
That is the disadvantage because that is the whole point, that we go with some different intuition altogether, that cheapest is the best. But if it doesn't cover the need, the reason for having a life insurance, then what's the point of even paying that much? That is the sad part of it. Even if you see the websites or something, let us say that ABC company is giving him commission of 35%, let us say, and the other company is giving him 33 or 30% commission, right? Which ad or which company's placement on while comparison, what do you think will be the first one to show?
The
Ye
one
le
with
lo,
more commission.
ye
The
le
one
lo,
with ये ले लो.
the one with the highest commission, right? So let us assume that in that company, any death, any death outside India is not covered, let us say, in the terms and conditions part.
अच्छा, ऐसा
I'm,
हो सकता है, ऐसा हो सकता है.
you never know. I can even delete that particular sentence on page 37th, sixth paragraph of 108 page document, right? So it can happen. Yes. Why would a company, if other companies are approximately charging you something around 15 to 25K, suddenly this company is charging you only 13,000? Why there has to be a remarkable difference in your premiums? That is your alarm deviation signal that has to ring in your head कि ये कंपनी इतना कम प्रीमियम में क्यों दे रहा है, बट दैट इज नॉट द पॉइंट, मुझे चीपेस्ट ही चाहिए.
So ये एक चीज समझ में आ गई सर. Any other disadvantage of going and where you see the aggregator की ये चीजें सबसे कम वाली हम ले लेते हैं. Any other?
So now once you have jotted down, let us say the terms and conditions of two companies are correct and it satisfies you and all, right? The onus of filling up this form lies with you only. Okay, that is everything okay. If I want to get this policy explained right from detailed one, point two, point ये है क्या, ये covered है क्या, ये covered है क्या, ये covered है क्या, the only thing what they come is that it is insured. हाँ है, हाँ है. Why? Because they just want to sell it. They are not going to explain you कि अगर ये वाला scenario of ABC हो गया, then what is the procedure of getting the claim? So they will mention that it will be written in the terms and documents page, claim के section में जाओ और वो वाला documents हमको भेजो और बात खत्म. It's like I am chatting with a bot. But मेरा जो क्वेश्चन है इट इज स्पेसिफिकली रिलेटेड टू दिस पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंस, इसके बारे में मुझे बताओ. सो दे कम बैक विद द सेम थिंग, क्लेम डिपार्ट के सेक्शन में जाओ और ये वाले डॉक्यूमेंट्स भेजो और आपका क्लेम सेटल हो जाएगा. So they are not able to understand what is my question. There is no one-to-one interaction. So
दिस
I
इज
am
द
talking with
बिगेस्ट
an
एडवांटेज.
AI.
सो
I am talking to
बेसिकली
an AI.
जब प्रॉब्लम हो गई है, फैमिली को जब जरूरत है, तो देर इज नो
Yes.
वन ऑन वन इंटरेक्शन.
Exactly. So what happens is when you have a corporate structure, na, I have a sales team and I have a technical team and I have an insurance related team, right? The one which is interacting with you is the sales team. They have no any other knowledge of the technicalities involved in that particular insurance, because the only objective they have is to sell,
सेल सेल
sell,
सेल.
sell and sell.
वो सब चीज के लिए प्रॉमिस कर देंगे, हाँ ये भी हो जाएगा सर, हाँ सर ये भी हो जाएगा, हाँ सर
There
ये
is
भी.
there are heavy cases. This is something what we call it as mis-selling. This is something what we call it as mis-selling.
अंडरस्टूड
There
सर.
are hell lot of problems with mis-selling. Okay, they can even tell you that we after every 3 years, our company, not the insurance company, our company is going to give you bonus. Our company is going to give you loan on your policy, where it is clearly mentioned that not even a single amount of rupee is going to give you a loan. Now, do you think that the person is going to check page number 36, para 3 of an 108 pages document?
And most importantly, sir, I do not know whom I'm talking to. I will never be able to find that person. कि ये
Customer
रिकॉर्डिंग
support.
इस तारीख को हुई थी, we do not never know that. So that
Exactly.
so that these are the advantages and disadvantages of going through an aggregator.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
इंश्योरेंस इज अ गेम ऑफ ट्रस्ट. हम किससे करवा रहे हैं, क्यों करवा रहे हैं, इट इज रियली अ मैटर ऑफ ट्रस्ट. Like I remember when I had to buy insurance, I took a lot of time till the time my own sister became an agent and I could trust her. And that is how this thing I came to. This is a big problem. I thought the information is easily available. No, there are a lot of challenges, a lot of filters required. So these are the videos that you need to watch, and with this just one video everything will not be sorted. So there is this free course complete available over here for insurance. The complete content may be for 5 or 6 hours, but it is worth it. ये 5 से 6 घंटे देके you can make very well informed right decisions of your career for term insurance, for health insurance and for house insurance even. And why? Because एक गलती कई बार हमें बहुत लाखों के नीचे लेकर आती है. So 5 hours of yours can change your life. So why don't you enroll for this free course? Make well informed decisions. बाकी team Merchant Navy Decoded is always there to help you. You're most welcome to ask your questions on Merchant Navy Decoded platform or on the YouTube channel. We are there to help you. We'll find out the right answer and make videos for you as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. Enroll now.